OMG, who?
This guy from chemistry.
Wait, what is that a picture of?
Why is it so big?
You guys relax, it's just one of his dogs.
Oh.
That doesn't look like a dog.
Well, he wants to go meet up and do some homework.
What subject?
Physical education.
No guys, just chemistry. Relax. Okay, well he's outside, so I gotta go.
Already?
Yeah.
You just got here.
What's better, homework or sleepover?
You do want to be friends with us, right?
Homework, right?
I mean, there's sleepover on other days. Alright, bye guys.
I guess so, Josie.
Just let me go. Bye, Josie.
Alright, bye. See you guys later.
So let's see you at school tomorrow?
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Alright.
Alright guys, bye.
See you
Bye.
tomorrow at school. Don't be late.
Well, remember your knee pads. You never know when you need protection.
Don't be late to school tomorrow again.
Alright guys, I'll see you in the morning.
Bye.
Good night.
What should we do now?
Movie?
Did you bring the stuff I told you?
Yes.
Coming next.
Jazmin?
3 of us are gone.
They could be anywhere.
Where are they? Go!
Jazmin, did you hear that?
Just go to sleep. I knew I heard something. It's probably just the kids across the street.
Did you hear it that time? Jazmin? Jazmin.